for viewers to read. Click any message to pin it. Use the options menu to unpin. Okay. Okay. Yes guys, we are on. We are live. Just checking for a beautiful filter, as if maybe I will be needing it. Well, I'm just trying live for the first time on this channel, so kind of playing around. This is without filter, and I think I like the without filter. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so guys, welcome to igboticnono. This is the first live video on igboticnono. Learn Igbo on igboticnono. Okay, guys, I posted last week that I'm going to be having live today, which is Sunday, at 2 p.m. West African time, and I am doing it right away. Yes, I'm a bit early, and it doesn't matter. Hi, welcome. Who is joining us? Who is joining us on this live? Welcome. Oh, the person is out actually, but welcome. Please, when you come into this live, please drop your message. Drop your message down in the message box. Please drop your message, drop your chat. Tell me your name, what is your concern, what do you want us to talk about. This video is actually for everybody, okay? Yeah, just being me and being simple as possible. No makeup today. Still, I didn't carry you guys along that I recently gave birth, but don't worry, this is postpartum body and we're just flexing it, eating as much as we want so our baby can have enough breast milk. But don't worry, we'll come back later on when the baby is done with her exclusive. Yes. So guys, just put down on the chat what you want us to learn today. What is your challenges? What do you think are your challenges in learning Igbo language? Because today's live video is actually phrases in Igbo language. What do I mean by phrases in Igbo language? These are the words that can help you to make a sentence, like I always say in every of my video. Every phrase helps you to make a sentence. Every phrase is a learning. Every phrase is a word. For example, kedu. Kedu. Kedu is a phrase. It's one word. It's a phrase. It's an Igbo phrase. Kedu. Do you understand? Kedu. If you've learned kedu, it's just very simple. Like in Igbo we say kedu. If you want to do it in a very short form, you can just say kedu. I already know you're asking, how am I doing? When somebody tells me kedu, kedu, I know what you meant is how you doing. So I know already. So I'm going to answer you odemma. 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 So I'm going to answer you odemma. Do you understand? This is a short form of saying how are you doing in Igbo language. Then for those that already know, the scopes, they already know how to speak very well. They can say keduka imere. Keduka imere. Please, if you're joining this live, watch my lips. If you watch my lips, you can imitate me. And don't tell me it's difficult to do, because I also have a language that I'm learning. Yes, I have a language I'm learning. And what is the key to learning is watching the lips of the person that is speaking, trying to imitate the person that is speaking, and other things. In this video, I'm also going to tell you guys the things you can be doing that can improve your language learning. But let's just start this way first. So as we go further, keduka imere. Keduka imere. Keduka imere basically means, how are you doing? How are you doing? Do you understand? Remember I told you guys that a native Igbo speaker doesn't need to say kedu imere. We can just cut it as kedu. When I say kedu, I already know you're asking, how am I doing? So I just go straight to the point and answer you. Ademma. 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 These are three letter phrases word. 3-letter phrases word. Adem mma. Adem mma. Just 3. Adem mma. When somebody says kedu ka imere, kedu ka imere, kedu ka imere, kedu ka imere. If somebody says kedu ka imere, you just say adem mma. Adem mma. See you guys, in this live video, I'm not even stressing myself. Even if it's just 3 or 4 sentences you are able to make today, as long as this live will be, even if it's just 3 or 4 sentences that you are able to make today, then we'll take it again next Sunday. Okay, remember to put down your comments in the comments section here. I've not gotten any message here. I don't know, it means that nobody has actually dropped a live message. Welcome to live chat. Remember to guide your privacy and abide by your community guidelines. Yes, please send in your message. Please send in your message so I know that you are here already, so I know. Okay, I'm trying to see everybody. Please try to like this video as well. As you're coming into this live video, please click on the like button there. It's actually free. Please click on the like button there, the thumbs up button there. Just click on it. It's actually free. Yes, today being the first time I'm doing live on this channel, it's all about introduction. As time goes on, maybe next Sunday, upper Sunday coming, I'm going to draft out a proper lesson that we're going to follow through, and I'm going to repeat the lesson uncountable times. I won't be going. I can repeat a lesson 3 or 4 times. I can repeat a lesson 4 or 5 times. I can repeat a lesson, uncountable times. Then at your free time, you can go back to those lessons and read and listen. So what am I trying to say in the essence? What I'm trying to say in the essence is that to learn Igbo language, don't be ashamed. Don't feel that maybe your parents didn't teach you, or 1 or 2 persons didn't teach you. Don't blame anybody. Okay, everything happens the way it's supposed to happen. This is how God knows it's supposed to happen already. So do not blame your parents on that, because I have some people in my comment section saying, yes, that I wasn't taught how to speak Igbo. My parents didn't teach me how to speak Igbo. I've seen 1 or 2 persons saying it, but I always tell them, don't blame your parents. It's what happened at that time. So let's not blame, put blames on anyone, okay? So the thing here is that be open to learning it 1 word at a time, 1 phrase at a time, and learning so much phrases as much as possible can in turn help you to make few sentences, okay? I have a lot of videos on this channel that's basically on phrases alone. If you are able to watch all those videos on phrases, trust me, you are going to learn a lot. Okay, so that's what I'm saying, just the introductory part of it. When you meet someone in English, when you meet someone, what do you say? You say hi, right? When you say hi, the next thing you say is, how are you doing? It's a courtesy. The next thing you say is, how are you doing? It's also like that in Igbo language. When you meet someone, you say kedu, like I said before. You can short it. Kedu, kedu, and the person tells you adem mma. The person tells you adem mma, adem mma, adem mma. Kedu, 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 adem mma. Then if I want to stress the kedu, if I want to like stress it, you should that in English you can't tell somebody how. It's an incomplete sentence, right? When you say how in English, it's an incomplete sentence. It doesn't mean anything. But in Igbo, how in Igbo is kedo. In Igbo, when you say kedo, it's a complete sentence for us. We already know what you meant. We already know that you're asking our whereabouts. So we just answer you odemma. But if you want to line it, if you want to make it in line with the English language, how are you doing? In Igbo, it's kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Watch my lips. Kedu ka imere. Imere. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. That is, how are you doing? Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Repeat after me. Just join me. Let's sing it like a song. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Let's sing it like a song. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Okay? Kedu ka imere. You should pick it up by now. Kedu ka imere. You can have your pen and paper and also write the way I'm pronouncing it. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Let's sing. Kedu ka imere. Okay? Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Okay? Then your response is ọ dị mma. 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 Some people also personalize it as adịm mma. Adịm mma. The both are 100% correct. It depends on the one that suits your mouth at that point in time. Adịm mma. Adịm mma. Welcome to igboticnono's live video. Please, if you're new to this place, please click on the subscribe button and like this video. I'm still seeing 0 likes. Guys, this is not nice. This is not nice. I'm still seeing 0 likes. Just come in, click on the like button. The like button there is free. It's just a thumbs up. Click on it. It's free. It doesn't take anything from you. Please click on the subscribe button as well. Subscription is free. It doesn't take anything, okay? It's just free. Zero money, okay? So guys, remember I said drop your message, drop your chats. I've not seen any live chat from any of you. I don't know. I have not seen any live chat. I've not seen any live chat. I have not seen any live chat. Please drop your chat, please. Drop your chat. I'm yet to see chats from people, messages and some messages such as potential spam may not be visible. Yeah, we know that already. Just show us the chat. We want to see your live chats. We want to see your chats dropping. Okay. Highlight, save your channel as 999. Okay, please. So guys, as I was saying, so being that we have learned to say how are you doing, kedu ka imere, now we move over to the next. When you meet somebody and the first thing to say in English is how are you doing, right? Which we have learned in Igbo now, kedu ka imere, and your response is ọ dị mma. Remember, we're on introduction. When you meet, at the same time you have met the person and you have asked how are you doing, either you're eating or you're doing something, the person can say, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? In Igbo is kedu ife ị na-eme. Oh, Abia the best, welcome. Thank you so much, beautiful sister as well. We're watching from Germany. Wow. welcome. Thank you for joining the live. Please make sure you remain on this live, and I would like to see if are you learning Igbo. Do you want to speak more on Igbo? Do you know how to speak the preliminary level, like the primary level? What stage of Igbo speaking are you in? Are you speaking at all? Do you want to improve? What is your challenges? Please drop your live chats. Drop your live chats so that I can read through and know where the direction of this life is going to. It's going to help me to channel the direction of this life as well. So please, I would like to see what is your challenge. I would like to read what is your challenge here. Yes. Yes, Abia the best. Oh, you're from Abia State. Okay. What did you write? I've already made one friend on live. I'm so excited. Abia the best. This is my first live video on this channel, and I'm doing this because one or two persons has asked me why not introduce a live video on your channel where you just come and talk to us, and I said, oh yes, it's very interesting. I am going to do that, and that's what I'm doing today. And as time goes on, we're going to improve and we're going to put some things and all and get it more interesting. Oh, you're from Abia State, but you grew up in Lagos. Yes, Lagos State. Yes, most people that are living in Lagos states find it difficult to speak Igbo fluently because either they end up living in a Yoruba speaking area where they only learn Yoruba, or you know, yeah. My Yoruba is perfect. I just, you see, you see, Abia, we are relating. We are relating. If you heard what I said before you sent this particular message, before you dropped this, I said that people that live in Lagos, especially if you're living in Yoruba speaking area, that you end up here learning Yoruba more than Igbo. If your parents are not speaking the Igbo to your ear, it's almost like someone that is living outside the country as well. You learn of speaking English or speaking whatever native language that that country you are in is speaking, then you end up not speaking Igbo. It's like that as well because Nigeria has different languages. We have three ethnic groups but different languages. So you can be in Lagos and you're from eastern part of Nigeria that speaks Igbo, and you don't speak Igbo because you're living in an area that is dominated by Yoruba speaking people. So I understand. Your Yoruba is perfect, but my Igbo gets Kele. I just said it right now, Abia. Okay, let's start with Abia. Abia has given us a direction now. She said her Igbo get Kele. So Abia, if you can tell us, Abia the best? Yes, that's what I am seeing. Abia the best, of course. Abia the best, yes. If you can tell us on the live chat, what do you think is the challenge you're having that is making that you're able to have Kele? What is the challenge? Tell us so that we can say here and other people can in turn learn. So let's go back to what we were saying right now before my friend Abia the best dropped her live chat. Please don't forget to drop your live chat. Drop your live chat. Tell me what is the challenge you're having. What are you finding difficult? What is making the Igbo language difficult for you to speak? Just drop it on the live here and I will pick it from there. Yes. People are joining, going out, joining, going out, joining, going out. It's all good. It's not going to distract me. I am determined on doing this live and here I am. Oh, you even speak Dutch now perfectly after 22 years in Germany. Wow. Yes, of course. You're supposed to be speaking Dutch. It's true. Yeah. I don't blame you. Yes, you're in area, you're in Germany. And just like I was saying, if you're in area where they're not speaking Igbo, you're likely to be speaking that language of the country rather than your own language. Abia the best. You're welcome. You're my friend. You're welcome. You can send me DM on Instagram. You can send me an email. Just let me help you speak this Igbo 50% in such a way that you can relate with your brothers and sisters, your cousins, your family, your friends when you come back to Abia State, not Lagos. Lagos speak English or Yoruba, or when you come back to Abia State, when you don't have choice but speaking your native language. Okay? So like it's a slang in Igbo language. Do you understand? So back to what I'm saying, guys. So when you meet someone, the first instant meeting, what you say is, how are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing is keduka imere. Keduka imere. Keduka imere. Just watch my lips. Please watch my lips. If you watch my lips, you won't have problem in learning. Don't look at my glasses, don't look at my hair, don't look at my brow, don't look at my earring. Well, I'm not having any makeup on, even I'm not even having lip gloss. So just don't look at these places I pointed out, but look at my lips. Keduka imere. Keduka imere. Keduka imere. Keduka imere. Keduka imere. Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka imere means how are you doing? How are you doing? This is first instant introduction. First instant introduction. When you meet anybody in Igbo language, when you meet anybody outside in eastern part of Nigeria where they speak Igbo, the first thing you ever say is, how are you doing? Kedu ka imere? Kedu ka imere? That is the first thing you say. Please, when you come into this live, please give this live a thumbs up. It's free. Please give it a thumbs up. YouTube can take this live to various channels that needs Igbo language. Please, I will appreciate that. And click on the subscribe button. It's free as well. Kedu ka imere is the first thing you say when you meet someone in all over the world, anywhere in this world. When you meet somebody, the first thing you say is, how are you doing? Irrespective of what the person is speaking, where the person is from, or irrespective of the person, you don't know the person. His first countenance impression, how are you doing? In Igbo is kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Let's sing. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Oh, kedu. Join me in the song. Oh, kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. Okay, what you say? Kedu ka imere. Then your response is Odema. Odema. Or you say Ademma. Oh, Tani God is beautiful. Welcome from Abia State as well. MNK State. I want to learn. Welcome so much, Tani God. Tani God is beautiful. Welcome to the live. Please, what do you want to learn? Are you a zero learner? Like, are you on the basic level? You don't know how to say any Igbo word, or you don't know how to, just which level are you? Please put down on the live so I will know the level that you are in. Tani God is beautiful. Welcome. You want to learn, you're going to learn. I am here to teach you to learn, okay? Welcome. No. Welcome. No. Tani God is beautiful. No. No. No means welcome. No means welcome. Okay, so now that we have learned today, how are you doing in Igbo language, which is kedu ka imere, and I am fine, which is ademumma in Igbo. Now we'll move on to another sentence or a phrase. Remember I said on this live video, I don't mind if I'm able to teach, if I'm able to make 2 or 3 persons make a sentence, even if it's 2 sentences or 3 sentences, I'm okay, and we'll move to next week. Next Sunday, I'm going to come on live next Sunday as well at this time. But if you want this live any time of the week, also put down on the live section chat that this live can come anytime of the week, and you guys don't mind, I'll also deliver. Okay, so now that we have learned a sentence, how are you doing, kedu ka imere, and the response is odema, I am fine, we move over to something very important. When you wake up in the morning, your mom is around, your daddy is around, your grandma is around, your relatives are around, your elders are around, what do you say? Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma is good morning. Good morning. Just come to your daddy and your mom and say ụtụtụ ọma. They'll be so proud of you. They will laugh. Please do it and send me a message how it went. Tell your mom or your dad tomorrow ụtụtụ ọma. They just look at you like what is what she saying? Who taught her that? Okay, ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma is good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma is good morning. Okay, and good afternoon is ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma is good afternoon. Ehihie ọma is good afternoon. Ehihie ọma is good afternoon. And abalị ọma. Abalị ọma. Abalị ọma is good night. We can also say kachifo Kachifo. Kachifo is also good night. Kachifo is also good night. You can also say Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma is good evening. Mgbede ọma, good evening. Mgbede ọma, good evening. Tiffany, God is beautiful. Welcome. Yes, I hope you're learning what I'm saying. I hope you are learning what I'm saying. If you're having challenge in repeating what I'm saying, or if you're having challenges in learning Igbo language, please put it on the live chat so that I can see the challenge you are having. Okay, I've said it before, so I can see the challenges that you are having. Please put it down on the live section. Okay. So now that we have learned how are you doing, we have learned the response in Igbo, we have learned the greetings in Igbo. Yeah, my grandma speaks to me in Igbo, but I respond with Yoruba. Oh, Abia the best. You are multilingual. You can speak Dutch. You can speak Yoruba. Oh, that's very beautiful. And now you understand Igbo, just that you can't respond in Igbo. That's very beautiful, Abia the best. That's very beautiful. Yes, I hope you have been following what I've been saying on this live. Remember, I said repeat what I'm saying. Watch my lips and repeat what you can hear. Watch my lips and repeat what you can hear. Okay? Okay. So we move on to the next thing here. If you see somebody that is eating, somebody is eating in the house, and you don't know what the person is eating, what do you say? Kedu ihe ị na-eri? Kedu ihe ị na-eri? The person is eating in the house. The person has a plate of food in the house, but you're inquisitive to know what the person is eating. You want to know what the person is eating. Of course, you say it's in Igbo. In English is what are you eating? What are you eating? But in Igbo is kedu ife ị na-eri? Watch my lips. Imitate my lips. It's only when it's time to learn Igbo that you know how to imitate lip syncing. But if it's TikTok, you know how to imitate every verse of the song. You know how to mimic the artist exactly like the artist. You know how to do exactly like the artist. But it's when it's time to read or learn Igbo, you forget how to mimic someone. You forget how to read lips. But when it's TikTok time, you remember 100% how to read the lips, so you learn and go viral. Okay. Kedu ife ị na-eri? Watch my lips. Kedu ife ị na-eri? 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 Kedu ife ị na-eri means what are you eating? What are you eating? What are you eating? Kedu ife ị na-eri? What are you eating? Okay? What are you eating? So for example, the person is eating maybe beans, legume, beans, The person might say in English is, I am eating beans. But in Igbo, ana m eri agwa. Ana m eri agwa. Ana m eri agwa. Ana m eri agwa means I am eating beans. We can say I am eating rice. Ana m eri osikapa. 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 Or you're eating cake. You're eating cake, right? You say, Ana m eri achịcha. Ana m eri achicha. Anam eri achicha. Do you understand? My sister, okay, yeah, my sister, but our Igbo can differ from main Igbo. Yeah, it's okay. Of course. In the eastern part of Nigeria, we have Igbo that we can speak and everybody can understand, which is Igbo Nzube. Igbo Nzube is the central Igbo, the standard Igbo that I can speak to an Abia person, Abia will understand. I can speak to Imo will understand. I can speak to Ebonyi will understand. I can speak to Anambra will understand. But if you start speaking your native Abia language, I might understand a bit of it, maybe 50% of it, because I'm already a native of Igbo. Do you understand? I can understand, but I may not understand the native tongue of Abia. That is why in Igbo language, we teach Central Igbo, which what I'm speaking. Irrespective of the state you are from in the eastern part of Nigeria, if you speak Central Igbo, which is Igbo Nzube, everybody will understand you. Okay? Everybody understand you. So that is why your Igbo can differ from the main Igbo. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Your Igbo can differ from the main Igbo. I'm from Anambra State. My Igbo can differ from Anambra State, married to Imo. Our Igbos can differ, but the central Igbo, which is Igbo Nzube, what I am speaking, everybody, I can understand Imo person. Imo person can understand me. I can understand Ebonyi. Ebonyi can understand me, so long we are speaking the central Igbo. Okay? I will say Iriwo Guinea. What do you want to write Abia the best? I will say Iriwo Guinea. Do you mean in Abia tongue, the way you say it? You say it Central Igbo is Irigo Nri. Is that what you want to write? Irigo Nri. Because I can see you wrote here, you will say Iriwo Guinea. Is that what? Okay, oh, okay, I understand what you're saying. Like you're trying to say kedu ihe ị na-eri, but in Abia State you say iriwo ngini. Oh yes, I understand you. Yes, I understand you perfectly well. Yes, it's okay. You see, I understood what you wrote. I understood the meaning of what you wrote because I'm an Igbo person, and because I'm an Igbo person, I can understand 50 to 60% of every native language in eastern part of Nigeria because I'm an Igbo person. Just like I understood me now about the verse, he said in your side you say Iriwo Guinea, means as you're trying to say, what are you eating? Kedu ihe ị na-eri? Kedu ihe ị na-eri? Iriwo Guinea. Yes, perfectly okay, perfectly understood. But Iriwo Guinea. So for someone that is learning Igbo, if you say that to the person might actually find it difficult to understand. For me that knows how to speak Igbo from birth, I can read it, I understand what you're saying, and when I read it, I understand. And when you say it, if you come to me and say I'm eating food, you come to me and say Iriwo Guinea, I know what you meant is kedu ihe ị na-eri. I know what you meant is what are you eating. I know, because I started speaking Igbo from the grassroots up to this stage of my life. But for someone that starts speaking Igbo mid-age, like 15 or 20 years, might not understand Iriwo Guinea. Every language has it. Every country that has language, even Dutch has it as well. Germany too has it as well. They speak Dutch, but they also have a bit of native Dutch from the northern, from the eastern, from the southern, from the western. They have a bit of northern Dutch that when they come and speak, foreigners or people that just came to the country and learned Dutch will not understand them. But the native Dutch people will understand when another Dutch person makes a native Dutch language. Do you understand me? Foreigners in Germany will not understand native Dutch. What you're speaking and what you can speak as a Dutch language is Central Dutch. I'm very sure it's just Central General Dutch that everybody who lives in the big city in Germany, or maybe, just like Nigeria has Port Harcourt, Lagos, Abuja, as big cities or something. Anybody that lives in those big cities in Germany can understand that Dutch you're speaking, but the native speakers when they come around for visit or to do one or two things and speak their native Dutch, the indigenes of Germany, the blooded Germans will understand what they are saying. But we that came, for example, you say you live in Germany, what you can speak is the general Dutch language. If they start using their native Dutch for people that live in the southern side, eastern side, western side, if they start using their Dutch language, you might find it difficult to understand one or two things. So every language has that, and it's not a barrier. Every language has that, it's not a barrier. So we're learning Igbo, we're using the central Igbo, which is the Igbo Nzube, that everybody who is an Igbo speaking person will understand what you are saying. Yes. Everybody, I am from Anambra. We have a tongue in Anambra, but what I'm speaking is native Central Igbo, where you guys can understand. This is what you guys need. Central Igbo is what everybody needs. That's what you guys need to communicate with whosoever that is speaking Igbo. Do you understand? I can't use my native language to be teaching you Igbo because it's not necessary. You might learn it, and it's not really what you can use to relate with so many people. But Central Igbo Nzube is okay to relate with. Okay? Yes, I bet the best. Yes, I know. I'm in the same shoe with you. I understood. Oborota can Igbo. Oborota. It's not today I started speaking Igbo, so I understood you 100%. Welcome to the live. Please, if you're yet to like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up is free, subscription is free. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget, we're just having two thumbs up since I started this live. I'm on this live 36 minutes ago. I'll soon be going off this live. I have just 1 hour to spend on this live. I've gone 37 minutes and I'm just having 2 likes. It means that people just come in, they don't like, and they go. I know you forget, but please, as soon as you're clicking into this live, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. These both things are free. So we'll move over to the next one. When we are done saying this song, what I think is also important, everything is important, but what I think I'm going to teach you guys at this point again is, you're hungry, you want to eat. You're hungry, you want to eat. You say, agụrụ na-agụ m. Agụrụ na-agụ m. Agụrụ na-agụ m. You're hungry, you want to eat. You say, agụrụ na-agụ m. Agụrụ na-agụ m. Agụrụ na-agụ m means I want to eat. I am hungry. I am hungry. Agụrụ na-agụ m means I am hungry. Agụrụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. Agụrụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. Agụrụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. Watch my lips. Don't look at my glasses. Don't look at my hair. Don't look at my earring, please. I almost did not do this live. But I told myself, if you don't do this live, you're showing them already that you're incompetent. You say things and you don't do. I have to put on this wig, put on these glasses, my earring and hair. I'm on live. I didn't even make up, okay? That is how much I didn't want to disappoint. So forget every other thing and just watch only my lips. Agụrụ na-agụ m. Agụrụ na-agụ m. Agụrụ na-agụ m. Agụrụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. I bet the best, not ahoro. Aguru. I bet the best, watch my lips. I bet the best, watch, even if it's only 2 students I got today. I'm so aho na gum. Remove the H. Remove the letter H there. Remove the letter H and say agoro. You can also say ago na agum. It's also a short form. But because I'm teaching this Igbo, I want to use the normal sentence. When you're done learning the normal sentence, before you start learning the broken. Like this one, you say ago is broken. Ago na agum. You want to use the broken part, the short form, the corner. No, I'm going to use it fully as it should. Then when you're done learning Igbo, you can start cutting it short, like pidgin Igbo. We're not learning pidgin Igbo. I'm using the complete sentence for you. So I bet the best, that place you put letter H. I want you to remove letter H there and just put letter A, letter G, letter U, letter R, and letter U. Okay? Say agoro. Agụrụ na agum. It means it's A-G-U-R-U. You give a space. Any A, which is na, you got it. Very good. Agum. A space G-U-M. Okay? I bet the best. Write what I said on the live chat so I know you are following me. Write it on the live chat. Agụrụ na agum. Please write what I said on the live chat. I bet the best, so I know that you are following. Even if it's just this one you learned today, I am very proud of you. I'm very impressed. We take it from there. When we continue to do this live, I plan to do this live every Sunday if possible. If we succeed in doing it every Sunday or every other day, you will be great. Within 3 months, you should be able to speak Igbo. So I bet the best. Write what I said on the live chat so I know you are following. Agụrụ, 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 agụrụ na agum. Agụrụ na agum. Let me know if I can write what I said on the live chat. If I can write as a moderator. I don't know. I'm trying to know if I can write. I'm trying to know if I can write. Let me see what you wrote. Okay, agụrụ na. That's very good. Agụrụ na. What you wrote is agụrụ na gum. Agụrụ na gum. You forgot to write the extra A. Agụrụ na agum. 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 A space. Then gum. What you wrote is correct, but you're missing a letter, which is going to be after na. After na, you put another letter A, then space gum. Please write it. Agụrụ na agum. Agụrụ na agum. Yes. I want to know if I can also be writing with you guys. You see, this is my first live. There are so many things I am going to improve on as time goes on. To be writing when you guys are writing, or to be writing the things I am saying. Okay? But no problem. We are going to incorporate that soon. Maybe the next live, we are going to incorporate that. So I bet the best, that H beside the A, please remove it. The H beside the A, remove it, and everything is correct. Just remove the A beside the H. Remove the letter H beside the A. The letter H beside the A. Just remove it and you have written correctly. Agụrụ na agum. I bet the best, you are doing so well. Yes, got you. Yeah, thank you. You are doing so well. Abia the best. You're the best. Abia is the best. Yeah. So this is my first live video on this channel. My first live video ever. What it means is that there are so many things I am going to do when I do the next live video, probably next Sunday or sometime this week. I can do live sometime this week. It mustn't really be on Sunday. I don't know if it's okay. I bet the best. Is it okay? I can do live video anytime during the week. Necessarily mustn't be on a Sunday. What do you think? Necessarily mustn't be on a Sunday. I can do live any day of the week. Okay, because I want to try to learn so many things on this live as well. Like I want to be writing messages that you guys are going to be seeing, and the topics we're going to be learning on the live, and we'll follow it in that order. I'm trying to write messages, but I can't. Top chat, some messages of potential sign may not be visible. Okay, live chat, all messages are visible here, but I cannot write. Why can't I write on this live? Okay. I bet you're so funny. I just like, I love your vibes. I love your vibes. I mean, you almost the same vibe with me. Oh. I can imagine how you said this. I could imagine how you said this. Yes, we have enough data up here, my dear. We have to burn it. You have to burn the data because even if you don't burn it, you still pay that month's data, right? So why will now wait? You have to. It's unlimited. Please burn it to the ground. So, Ade, do you understand when I said agorona agom that you have to remove the letter H there so that everything will be completely correct on the. I'm very impressed that you are even able to write this Igbo. Just, just merely watching what I'm listening to what I'm saying and watching my lips, you're able to make this complete. Write down this Igbo sentence you did. I'm very proud of you. Ever the best. Just remove the letter H beside the A, and everything is correct. So I don't know if it's only Abia on this channel. People are coming in and going out. They are forgetting to subscribe to this live video. They are forgetting to love put a like on this live video, but it's okay. Please, I'm going to use Abia the best as a statistics on this live video, being that she also I think from what she I think from her knowledge I can see that she is not a basic Igbo learner because she already hears her grandma speaking it almost every day in her ear. She's not a baby Igbo learner. So I'm going to use her as a statistics on this live video to say from the angle of somebody that is learning Igbo or somebody that wants to start speaking Igbo completely perfectly well. What do you think that are challenges in speaking Igbo language? Abia, can you tell me Abia the best? Can you tell me what is the challenge in speaking Igbo language? What is the challenge that you're having in replying your mom, in your grandma in Igbo when she speaks Igbo to you? Abia the best. This question is thrown to you. What do you think is the challenge you are having when your grandma speaks Igbo to you? You speak in Yoruba without returning it in Igbo. Yes, I speak, but you will hear me cracking. Yeah, here cracking is better than not speaking. Some people, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, Abba the best. Why? Yes, I'm proud of you. It's better than cracking than not speaking at all. So that's why I said you are not a baby learner in Igbo. You're not on the basic level. I think you've gone up to the intermediate. Yeah, the intermediate level, which is if I want to give you by number, I'll say you're in B1 level or in A2 level. I don't know, in German you're learning. I don't know if people use alphabets to grade yourself to know the level you are in speaking Dutch. For what you said now, I can grade you A2 level in Igbo language, or I can grade you B1 level in Igbo language. Yes. Maju Onoha. Yes. I have two friends who their surnames are Onoha. And I like the fact that you have your native name even while living in that Germany. Makes you not forget where you're from. I love that. So Abia the best, I'm waiting for you to give me the answer. I'm going to use that your reply to work on other of my subscribers who are learning how to speak the Igbo language. So I'm using you as a statistic appraiser, whatever you can say. What is the challenge that you are facing when your grandma speaks Igbo to you, then you reply in Yoruba instead of replying in Igbo? Do you have any challenge in replying her in Igbo as well? Because I've met some people on this channel that told me that yes, that their challenge in replying in Igbo is because they are shy. Their challenge in replying in Igbo because they think they can't speak well. Their challenge in replying in Igbo because they think people are going to laugh at them. I've heard so many excuses or so many things that makes the person feel that he or she is shy in speaking. My kids, oh wow, Chioma, Ekele, Ono. So well, you see, I love people that live outside the country, and when they're naming after their kids, they are using this our native language to give, to name after their kids. How old are your kids? They can join on this channel and be learning Igbo as well. Like I told you, I have toddlers as well who I'm also helping to teach Igbo language as well. And I recently gave birth. If you look at me, I look so big, so fat, but we are still on the breastfeeding stage. We don't mind. We're going to eat as much as we want so long the baby breastfeeds well. And after which, we'll start looking for this shape. This shape that everybody wants you to get shape. But more, I have to chop. I have to chop. After chopping, baby will chop. So my head will be turning. So I will chop after the breastfeeding and we'll start looking for shape. Wow! 8, 6, and 3. Wow! You're not a baby in the game. You're not a baby in the game. I'll be the best. You're not a baby in the game. So fine, so beautiful, so lovely. Can they speak Dutch? Are they speaking Dutch fluently? What level are they in speaking Igbo language, and what level are they in speaking Dutch language? What level are they? Would you want them to speak Igbo language more than they're speaking Dutch? What will you love? What will you love? Just like me, I want my kids to be speaking Igbo. I would love them to be speaking Igbo. I would love them. I would love us to be communicating in Igbo. Wow, perfectly. So beautiful. And you know why I love that about the best? It means that if your kids can speak Igbo perfectly, it means that that's gonna be a secret language for you guys over there in Dutch. I know that there are so many things they put I on so many. Oh, 00 Igbo language. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Never say never. They can see about the best. I have so many videos on my channel. All the videos on this channel, they are kids friendly. They are for kids. They will watch and they can watch as much as they want. Something that will help them to speak Igbo. I have so many phrases on this channel. So many phrases. What kitchen items, bathroom items, what speaking words, what single words. I have so many videos on this channel. If you just go to my playlist, just select the videos especially the one that is 8 years and 6 years. Select the videos that you put in their watch letter that they can go and be repeating and be learning, and they can be telling you what they learned. They can be telling you the words that they learned. They can be telling you the sentence that they were able to learn. So just try it. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, I started this channel 2 years ago. It's not doing as much as I want, but because I have love in teaching Igbo. I have love what I'm doing. That is what is keeping me consistent. I'm not looking at I say, yeah, the performance is nice. It makes me to feel that people are learning and every other thing. At the same time, it doesn't stop me from producing more videos, because you hear some people say my channel is not doing well. My videos, when I post them, it's only 20 people that watch it. I'm not going to be doing videos anymore. No, I'm not in that category. In as much as I want people to watch my video, I want to see more viewers on my video, but the main reason, which is teaching Igbo language, and which is the reason why I started this channel, even if I have 2 views on a video I posted, I'm still going to post another video. I'll still do another video I post. I know that one day YouTube will recommend my video to the right people that watch it, because sometimes I've compared my channel with other people that are teaching Igbo language that are doing so well. I've actually compared my channel to what they're doing that I'm not doing. I'm even more active than them. I'm doing much videos than them. Some of them steal my ideas. Like there was a time I started doing videos like learning alphabets in Igbo that starts in A, learning alphabets in Igbo that starts in B. And some people that are teaching Igbo took it from my channel, like they took the idea from my channels and they started doing it. Of course they're going to do well because they have more audience, they have more audience, and more family in their subscription or whatever. But me that had the idea, I don't have much fan base, I don't have much base, so it's like I brought the idea, they took it, they are doing well. I'm still doing on the basic or intermediate level. Do you understand? But the goal here is I love what I'm doing. I love to teach. I love when people are learning, and that's what is keeping me going. And it's okay. It's okay. I'm not even this life. You're just the active person on this life, and you see, I feel so satisfied. I'm chatting with you. You're telling me things. I'm knowing where to channel my energy more in, and I'm so happy about it. Yes, please tell them, save my videos. There are so many videos on my channel, so many phrases on my channel, so many. There was a time on this channel I was posting video every day just to check the algorithm of YouTube, how far they're going to take my video. It didn't work. There was time I was posting 4 times in a week. There was time I was posting 7 times in a week, 6 times in a week. You know, this I'm telling you is as long as 5 months, 6 months. You can see, check the videos, check this video. This channel started 2 years ago. You can check how many videos I have posted in 2 years. That will show you how active I'm on this channel. If you go to other channels that are teaching Igbo that has even more subscribers than I am, you can see they've only posted just 80 videos, 70 video, 30 video, 50 video, but I have posted 400 and I think, I'm not very sure, videos in 2 years. That is to show how extremely active I have been. And trust me, it takes a lot of work, because when you do a video, you have to edit it in 2 languages, so it hasn't been easy. That is so good. Abia the best. Just put most of my videos, the phrases, and in fact every of my video is interesting and every of my video is useful. Just put the ones you like, the ones you think that they're going to start learning as soon as possible. Put them on the watch letter. Let them start from there to start learning. Okay, let them start from there to start learning. That would be so nice. I bet the best. Thank you so much. This live is going to be ending very soon. This is 56 minutes on this live. I have 4 more minutes to go on this live, and I don't know, maybe I'll come on live again sometime this week, during the week, or maybe on Sunday around 2 p.m. or maybe I just do it around, I don't know, maybe 2 p.m. or less. I don't know. I don't know. Yes. So today, I know that I have thought about 4 or 5 things. Like I said, I don't mind how slow I go. This life is just for 1 or 2 persons to learn how to make a sentence or to learn a word. So if I'm able to impact 3 sentences on that very day to someone who is learning Igbo, someone who is still on the preliminary stage of learning Igbo, I think I have achieved a lot on that particular life. So this life is not about putting out so many topics as much as possible and you're not gaining anything. That is not what this life is about. This life is, even if it's just 2 sentences that you're able to learn, or 2 sentences that I'm able to push out for you to learn, I'm perfectly okay by it. That's what this life is all about. If I want to do my regular long videos, I can do my regular long videos with the subtitles in Igbo language and post for you to watch. But so long this live video is concerned, I'm not on this live video to start pushing so many topics like marathon. This live video is not a marathon teaching live video. This live video is all about taking its pace, and for you to learn as much as you can, even if it's just 1 sentence that took me 20 minutes, and somebody learns 1 sentence in 20 minutes, I'm fine. That's what this live video is about. Then my normal regular videos is what I do by topics and trying to finish up that topics for you to learn. But the live video is, doing what I'm doing just right now. And when times goes on, when this live becomes more active, people will see that I need more questions. I need more people chatting, dropping their messages or their concern on the live chat, or what they want to learn on the live chat. As life is going on, we're turning to that direction as well, to to inculcate everything together. People coming to the live video, they forget to like. This is igboticnono, or the igboticnono, the Igbo teacher. The igboticnono is the Igbo teacher. Welcome. If it's first time on this channel, welcome. Like the video, go to my channel, watch all my videos. I have so many videos on this channel. Go there and watch as much as you can. Don't forget to drop your messages. Don't forget to drop your chat, your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. They are all free. Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to be ending this live apparently just right now, because it's over. I think it's gonna be The life is going to be one what is it called? 1 hour right now. Life is 1 hour right now, so I'm going to be ending it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, like this live, thumbs up and everything. If you're still learning, go to my channel. I have so many videos there. I have done a lot of work on this channel. Just that YouTube has refused to recommend my channel to people that need it, to people that really need these videos. That is what is paining me. People that really need this video, YouTube have refused to recommend it to them because I've done so much work on this my channel, guys. So much videos to watch. If you're on this my channel for 60 minutes every day for 3 months, you start speaking Igbo. I said it. If you're on this channel, if you go to my channel videos and keep watching videos after videos after videos, 60 minutes of your time every blessed day for 3 good months, you start learning Igbo. You see many of phrases in Igbo language. This is because phrases is what will help you to make sentence in every country that has a language. Phrases is what will help you to make a sentence. Learning much words as much as possible is what will make you to make a long sentence. Okay, that is why you see so many phrases in Igbo on my channel, which is very important. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next live. I'm going to put an update on my community when I'll be coming in for my next live. It might be this coming Sunday, it might be sometime in this week. Just stay tuned and have a wonderful day. Bye.